everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having a great day. Well, today I have a little Bath and Body Works haul that I'd like to share with you. I've had this for a couple of weeks. It's when they had their $2.95 sale for the Wallflowers, and they also had the, I believe it was $2.95 sale for the hand soaps. So if you want to see what I purchased this time around at Bath and Body Works, my all-time favorite, please keep on watching. So let's start off with the hand soaps. So I predominantly had mainly winter scents and holiday scents. So I wanted to get more spring and summer just because I'm so tired of this long winter we had. So I just need these scents to boost me up, and summer and spring can't come soon enough. So that being said, I started off with the Fiji White Sands Gentle Foaming Hand Soap, and just check out the scenery. Just the scenery alone is absolutely gorgeous. And if we look at the scent description here, it's White Sands Vanilla Orchid and Warm Amber. So I picked that one up. It's absolutely gorgeous. And next I picked up the Mango Mai Tai. You can see this all has like a beach theme to it. And this scent is, probably can't see it there with the glare, sorry about that, but it is Mango Nectar, Sun-Kissed Grapefruit, and Sugar Cane. Got that one. I also picked up the Island Papaya. And again, I pick up the Gentle Foaming Hand Soaps. I prefer those. And this one actually has it looks like it has micellar water in there. And the scent description on this one is Tropical Coconut, Fresh Papaya, and Sugar Cane. So we got that one. Now, these are not new scents to Bath and Body Works, but I picked the ever so infamous Peach Bellini. Again, I love anything peach scents, so I picked up that one. It's so refreshing. I also picked up, again, this is not necessarily a spring and summer, but it's one of my favorites. I picked up the Black Cherry Merlot. Absolutely love it. And the scent description on this one is Dark Cherry, Black Raspberry, and Merlot. Very, very fruity. I love it. And I didn't give you a scent description on this one. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory, but I'll let you know. It's Juicy Peach, White Apricot, and Fresh Mango. And the last one I picked up was the White Tea and Sage. I love that combination. And the scent description on this one is fresh tea, lemon, and herbs. Now, I'm not sure if it's just me, but you see how this bottle is opaque and not see-through like those ones? So the last couple of ones that I have tried, the ones in the opaque bottle, I'm not sure if the ingredients are different, but I find that these are a lot more watery than those ones over here. Could just be a bad one that I picked up, but that's the consensus in my household for the last two ones that I've tried. So we're certainly going to give this another try, and if that's the case, we'll stick to the see-through bottles. Those were the hand soaps. So let me share with you the Wallflowers as well. Okay, so the Wallflowers I picked up were the Tahitian Coconut, here is a Black Cherry Merlot. I picked up, I love the scent of bergamot, so I picked some bergamot waters. Tiki Beach. The Mango Dragon Fruit. And At the Beach. They also gave me some of this, I guess this is their new fragrance line, free gingham body care with any $15 purchase. And they gave me 2 of those. So if anyone's tried their gingham line, let me know down below. How's the scent? I don't know. I haven't smelled it. So let me know down below. Anyways, that is it. That was my Bath and Body Works haul this time around. Hope you enjoyed it. Again, you know, that is my weakness. Bath and Body Works is my absolute weakness. Anytime they have a sale, anytime I see that email pop up, and especially if they have a 10 off 30 coupon, you know I'm there. So again, thank you so much for watching. And like always, I will talk to you on my next video, hopefully sooner than later. Bye, everyone.